Yo, what's up guys? Do you guys want this so that whenever you start streaming and you do all your titles and stuff and the stream goes live and then you go to Discord and it automatically sends a message in your channel where you want the channel to be sent the message to. As you can see on Twitch, I just came live right now. And let's see the Discord now. Do you guys want this? Look, a message automatically pops up. Started streaming, is being only 40 seconds, and the message is out here. If you want to see how to do this, be sure to stick around and let's get it.
Zombie apocalypse.
Alright guys, welcome back. So, as you can see right now, we're on Discord. Yep, I went live just for a tester to show you guys with my amazing game caster. So, as you can see, Carlbot. Yes, that's right, Carlbot. Yep, not IFTT, no TTV alert. It's Carlbot this time, guys. Be sure to join my Discord server for more epic stuff. Links in the description. And let's get into how to do this. So, first of all, you need your Google Chrome. Wait, the message just updated. As you saw, I went offline on Twitch. So it says stream offline, games played, 1 minute 23 seconds, unknown game for 1 minute, and you can click this and everything, yeah. So this is amazing. Especially if it updates really quickly, like IFTT updates every hour. This thing, it updates like every 1 minute, 2 minutes maximum, yeah. So all you guys need to do is get carl.gg. So links in description. Alright, this is the link in description. Alright guys. Now when you go over here, you're gonna be greeted with this. Be sure you're logged in right there. Now manage. Now you go to whichever server you wanna do this thing in. So I've already done this on my main server. I'm gonna be doing this on my test server right now. So first add Carlbot. You go continue. Yeah, just authorize. And make sure you're a human. And there we go. Nice. So this is how the layout's gonna look like. Now, this is a test server. I use it sometimes, you know, just to chat with my friend, my cousin, you know. It's like a test server. Sometimes use it for Dankbot, testing stuff on this, and you know, all that. So guys, in this, what you need to do is you have a bunch of stuff here. You got the auto mod, you got the reaction rules, you have everything. But what people don't notice and what people haven't mentioned yet is Twitch. So yes, Carlbot has a Twitch system. You might not believe it. It's very hard to believe actually as well. So you just want to reload this one sec. Alright, so as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. It's really quick, very easy, no coding, no nothing like IFTTT. Like IFTTT was like a 1 hour process because every 1 hour it would check, but that's just too long because you need your Discord people to be notified right this instant that you're live. Because what if you're only streaming for 1 hour and then after that IFTTT realizes, oh yeah, you were streaming, and sends the message, and people will want to watch the pre-recorded stuff. So this is much easier. So for this, now you just need to click on this add a new Twitch stream. Then you need to enter like a Twitch name that you have. So my Twitch name is Track647. You guys can check that out too. Oops, I wrote it wrong. Track647. Alright, there we go. It's right here. Press enter to select that. We pressed enter. Now our Twitch name is selected. Now in whichever server you are, whichever text channel you want to put it in, I'm going to choose general because that's the only one I have. And then this part is the most easiest. So by default, it's just going to show the name and it's going to say like I'm Track647 is now online. It's going to give you the link and the embedded and everything's going to be there. But if you want to change it up like I did, you guys can just copy my steps. So you just want to put this type of bracket. You want to write name. I mean that's the only part of coding you need to do. And then you can write your message, whatever message you want. So like is live in all caps. And then you can go and like put this. And you can even add like an emoji. So I could put like a jug maybe. So in my server, the emoji is Fortnite. That's the name of the emoji. So Fortnite, yeah. And like in this server, like the test server, there's no emojis. But like in my original server, it's Fortnite. So you can add like that if you know the code and everything. And then you can add next, and you can like join here and like that, right? and you do this, and you do the same brackets, and you just put link. That's all the coding you need. I pressed enter by mistake, and you got the link there. Now if you want to mention everybody, you can just put add everyone as well. Sorry, yeah, and that's it. Now all you gotta do is click add. So what this means is that whenever this person goes live in your Discord server, a message should appear like in 2 minutes or so, and it should say that you're live. When you're offline, it says that you're offline. It edits, so it's not like it's gonna fill this whole thing like chatter. It's not gonna go like no, it's not gonna go like that. It's gonna be like one message, I am live, and then it's just gonna edit this message again and be like, I am offline, right? Like that. That's how it's gonna be. Alright guys, you can also use other commands of CallBot. Yep. It's not working, boy. Oh, there we go, it worked, finally. Great, so that's how you can do this. And I'll use an example, as I already showed you at the starting of the video. I'll show you once again. I'll open my streaming service real quick. It's called Gamecaster. If you guys want it, you guys can download it too. Links in description. Yeah, all my socials in the description. Go check them out. And now, as you can see, this is it, right? People who are on Twitch who actually joined my stream, I'm really sorry for this video. So basically, as you can see, I'm connected to Twitch. It says right over here. This is my whole thing, my over relay and everything. It offers a bunch of cool stuff. So right now it's on my capture card because that's what I usually stream from. Let's just click stream, and I don't have a game right now. My mic's open. Let me just mute that. Alright, my mic's also muted. Everything else is muted in this because like it's just a starting student screen. And now if I go over here on Twitch, it says I'm live. Or it's gonna take like 1-2 seconds to come live. And yeah, I think it's live. Where's the live logo though? Yep, see, I'm live. Slurpy Boy is there. Yo, I'm gonna write yo, I am doing a vid. Yep, that's all I'm gonna tell him. Alright. Okay, so as you can see, now we're on Twitch. Now we go back to Discord. We're in the general chat, right? And we just gotta wait for a few more seconds. Like, it's only been 50 seconds now. We're gonna wait for a whole minute or so until CallBot actually replies or does something. So yeah, let's just stay here. You gotta also make sure that your message is also there in CallBot. Maybe reload it once or twice, just to make sure. No matching records. Oh, there we go. We got the message. We got the ping, and there we go, guys. See, it's right there. Everything's perfect. You just have to give it a line and reload sometimes. If you don't even give it a reload, it's gonna come up like in 1-2 minutes, at maximum 5 minutes, 2 minutes, just like that. And as you can see, I can just click on this link right here. Click yeah, and yep, I'm on Twitch right over here, and I can watch the stream, which is pretty amazing, and it's all live. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to leave the like, subscribe, check out everything in the description, and that's it. Peace out.